We had been trying for about 2 years to have a child, and for some health reasons it just wasn't possible. So we actually saw a fertility specialist, and they also recommended doing acupuncture at the same time.
I had a torn rotator cuff, and I went to the doctor, and he said I had to get rotator cuff surgery. I talked to so many people, and they said that is the worst surgery, long recovery time.
I've had an accident. It worked. It involved losing my right thumb. I was suffering from ghost pains as a removal of the thumb.
I had a sprained ankle back in Pittsburgh, and I was swelling up, and I was having a lot of problems, and talked to her, and I am off and running.
I had been losing weight for years, and it just kind of stopped. And then, you know, work schedules and things like that, I wasn't feeling as good as I had before.
So I came in originally for the allergies and bronchitis.
I came in here and I was, I had problems falling asleep at night. I didn't stay asleep at night. I'd wake up all hours of the night.
She helped me with the stress level, with my ability to focus at work. I had a very stressful job at the time.
Would have never thought of acupuncture as a means of, trying to get pregnant. And lo and behold, about 9 or 10 months later, my Yumi was born.
After 3 weeks, it wasn't all healed by then, but after 3 weeks, I had so much more range in my shoulder. Never done acupuncture in my life. And I was so happy. I was so happy to come see her because I'd never got surgery. She told me she could heal it within 8 visits, and she did. So, yeah. So it was just great. So my shoulder's perfect.
I'm seeing results, and I'm continue seeing results, and it's worked effectively on different situations in my case. So it's made my quality of life better.
I enjoy coming in because one, I feel better, but she also listens. It's not always about the knees or the Achilles. It could be something else that's bothering me, like my allergies. And she talks to me to understand what else is ailing me that we need to make sure we address. And it's not just one thing. We can be doing knees, Achilles, and allergies all in one session. I come out, I feel refreshed, and I feel better the next day.
Overall, it has given me a real jump start again into weight loss, getting back in the weight room, eating well, energy, tremendous amount more energy as a result of my overall wellness treatments here.
I think even beyond just the treatment of an issue, I think acupuncture can help you be a little bit more proactive about your health in general. Even things like reducing stress and sleep, the things that we don't oftentimes give credit to, but it can really help you in just your overall health and well-being.
The main issue that we've worked on over the years has been my sleep problems. And I come in the door now and she'll ask me, well, how's your back? And I say, fine. How's your shoulder? Fine. So what are you here for? And it's basically a tune-up, and always work on sleep. So that works for me. So I sleep wonderfully at night. Shoulder doesn't hurt anymore, lower back doesn't hurt anymore, my hip doesn't hurt anymore. So it's been really good.
Life couldn't be better, and I feel like so much of that is because of Julie. I think we did acupuncture for May, and ultimately we conceived in August with twins. So not only 1 but 2, yeah. So, and I'm a firm believer, anybody who asks, I tell them that I think that the acupuncture had a great deal to do with our ability to conceive.
I just say give it a chance. If you don't give it a chance and just try it once, you're just never going to know if it's worked or doesn't work. She'll treat you right, and you won't regret coming over here.
I am a believer. It's worked on me.
I think acupuncture is I can safely say that it has definitely helped me and continuing to help me.
It's been around for thousands and thousands of years. It can't be wrong. You're not putting anything bad into your body, so how can it be bad? That's my whole thought process. It can't be bad because if I'm not ingesting it, then what harm is it doing? It's worth a try before you have to be put on a permanent medication forever.
It's the Monahan money back guarantee. And I'm very serious. If I suggest something, I mean it. You know, I don't make something else, oh, go see Dr. Julie and just walk away. You know, and people have done that and it works. I think people take my word that if something's been helpful to me, it could well be helpful for them, and that certainly is the case here.
For the most part, I've gone from being somebody who was just going to the general practitioner to now I call her first. I think Julie's an awesome person, even beyond just the treatment that she does in the office, so I would recommend her to anybody.
Dr. Julie has an excellent bedside manner. I mean, she's excellent with her patients. She takes her time. She examines you through the conversation. You know, what's happening with you right now? What are you feeling right now? Any anxiety, I can deal with that. Stress, I can deal with that. You know, so just her manner, her bedside manner is just so comfortable and inviting. And I like that.
It's things like that. You know, my first call isn't to a doctor anymore. My first call is to Julie to see what she can do for me. You know, I don't think there'll ever be words to thank her enough for what she's given us. You know, without a doubt, we have a family because of her. You make me cry.